So do you want to generate a content like this, or this, or this, or this, or this, or this, or maybe
Let's make the perfect cup of
using your
coffee.
avatar or your picture?
Listen to that rich pour,
Well,
just the way I like it.
that's why I'm here, so I can show you how to do this all with the Higgsfield AI. So before you proceed, you go to the Higgsfield.ai website, and then you proceed to the image session. You click on Higgsfield Popcorn to load, and the reason why I'm using Higgsfield Popcorn right now is because I want to give it a prompt so that it can create a character according to my prompt. So I'm using my avatar. So what I will do is I'll go ahead and upload my avatar to the website, and when I do that, let me upload my avatar. Good. So after doing that, I would also get an image of let me work with a coffee making machine. Let me work with a coffee making machine. So I'll go ahead and also upload the image of my coffee making machine, and then let me click and drag, or just directly upload it here. So here is it. Then writing my prompt, and until it generates an image of this avatar making a coffee with super coffee making machine. Then I hit generate for free. So you can see my image has been generated, and I have 4 images because I selected 4 results for this, and the aspect ratio was 3.4. So but that's not really what I want to work with. I want it to be a YouTube video kind of standard. So I want to be using 16 by 9. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and still upload my image again, because I want to work with the same image of the coffee making machine and also my avatar. But this time around, I told you I just want to make sure that it's 16 by 9. So I input my command, and then tell it generate an image of this avatar making coffee with this super coffee making machine in a kitchen, and blah blah blah, realistic, cinematic, representing. Then I'll choose my aspect ratio, which is 16 by 9. So after doing that, I will make sure that my result are 6. I want 6 result, and I hit generate, and it's my image will immediately be generated. Okay, just little time. Let's wait for it. Boom, our images are generated. So you can see how consistent it is with the character. This is what you don't find in most image generating platforms, but this is really beautiful. So I can just go ahead and download this, or download this, or download this, also download this, and download the final copy. Good. So from here, I want to use this image to generate a video, so I'll just head over to the video session, and then for this I'll be using the 1.2.6. So I'll click on 1.2.6. Yes. Then 1.2.6, it's really consistent and a very beautiful video generating tool. So I'll just input my command, input the image I generated, then check the aspect ratio 10 seconds, and I click generate.
Let's brew the perfect
So
cup.
you can see my content. You can see how beautiful this is.
Just right.
And this looks so real, and you can also find out that aside the fact that the video is beautiful and looks real, it's really consistent. And I want to try the Clean 2.6. Now I'll click on Clean 2.6, the same image and the same prompt. Let's see the kind of video it's going to generate for us, so we can use for this content. Yep. So you make sure that you turn on the audio, and duration is
listen to that rich pour just the way I like it.
So once you hit generate, your video will be created, and then see how beautiful it is, and just download our content as easy as that. So that's that for this video. If you find this helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe so the algorithm can recommend more of my content to you and other viewers as well. Thank you.